Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today we are looking at multiplication for maths. So the question we have here is 9 times 41. So I can write 41 times 9, as you can see, and I will work it out like this. So the first step would be to do 1 times 9, which gives us 9, and then 9 times 4, which gives us 36. So your answer is 369. So very simple. So if I just do it in a different color, I'll just show you the order that you work it out. You do 1 times 9, as you can see, which gives us 9. And then you do 9 times 4, which gives us 36. So you write 36. So your final answer will be 369. Let's have a look at another question. Question 9 is 213 times 0. So let's have a look at this. So 213 times 0. So same concept, 3 times 0 is just 0, 0 times 1 is 0, and finally 0 times 2 is 0. Remember, anything times 0 will always give us 0. So the final answer is in fact 0. So just to show you the order in which you multiply, so if I just do this in red, so you do 3 times 0, which gives us 0, and then I did 0 times 1, which gives us 0, and then 0 times 2, which gives us 0 as well. So this is just a short and easy way to work out multiplication. I hope this made sense and it gives you a better insight. And remember, it requires a lot of practice, so do make sure you practice a lot of these questions. Now here's a slightly more challenging question. So you have 836 times 27. So same concept, we do 6 times 7. So if you work it out, 6 times 7 will give us 42. Now I don't write 42, I write 2 and I carry over the 4. So I can cross the 4 out now. And then we do 7 times 3, which is 21, plus 4 is 25. So I put 5 and I carry over the 2. So remember, we had 25, so I put the 5 and I carried over the 2. Now we do 7 times 8, which is 56. 56 plus 2 gives us 58. And now I can cross that out. So that's the first sort of set complete. Now, because I'm moving on to the 2 here, I have to put a 0 below the 2 because I'm starting the next row. So we start off with 2 times 6, which gives us 12, right? So I'm going to put 2 and carry over the 1. And then I'm going to do 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 1, which gives us 7. So you can cross it out. And then 2 times 8, which is 16. Remember this 2, I don't add this 2. This 2 was from the previous question. Now, what I do is I just draw a line and I add them. The reason why I add them is because you're multiplying, the number is getting bigger. So at the end, you have to remember to add. So 2 plus 0 is just 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. So I'll put 5, carry over 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So put 2, carry over 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So your final answer is in fact 22,572. So you should have got this as your final answer. So again, these questions require a lot of practice, and yes, they are easy, but it requires you to practice because a lot of students, they make silly mistakes, especially when it comes to carrying over the numbers or starting their next row. So please make sure you practice these types of questions at home. We are going to spend more time going over these questions in our videos. So do make sure you subscribe, like and share, as there are plenty more beneficial and insightful videos coming up for maths. So do follow us on social media, on Instagram and on TikTok. All social media platforms are Easy Education London. Other than that, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share for more. Thank you.